Hello everyone, I am Mr. Dickens. In this video, I'm excited to showcase two interactive STEM simulations that I have developed, and they integrate computational thinking into the classroom. We will explore a gravity and freefall simulator that I built using Scratch and a seed germination game that I created on Codely, that is code.org. The focus of these tools is to make abstract concepts visible for students. First, let us look at my gravity simulator. From a technical standpoint, I utilized a forever loop and a custom variable for velocity. By setting the velocity to change by -1 every frame, I have created a digital model of constant acceleration. From a computational thinking perspective, this project emphasizes abstraction. Instead of calculating complex air resistance, we focus on the core algorithm of gravity. I also used conditional logic, that is, the if-then block, which checks the ball's y position, creating a virtual ground that resets the velocity to stimulate a bounce. In a learning activity, students can use this to test what-if scenarios, like changing the gravity variable to see how an object would fall on the moon or Mars. Next is my seed germination simulation that I built on code.org. Technically, this uses GameLab's sprite properties and collision detection. I created variables for water, sun, and growth stage to track the plant's biological needs in real time. Here, the CT focus is on decomposition and pattern recognition. I broke the complex life cycle of a plant into discrete stages triggered by numerical thresholds. For example, the plant only sprouts when both water and sun reach a value of 5. I also used a helper function called resetSource to recycle falling sprites, showcasing efficient algorithmic design. This connects directly to my lesson plan on environmental factors, where students must code the ideal conditions for a plant to survive. Both of these projects demonstrate how computational thinking is not just about coding. It is a way of solving problems and modeling the world around us. To produce this video, I used CapCut for editing and Canva for the visual transitions.